Honorable Rashtrapati Ji, the Honorable Governor of Odisha, the Honorable Speaker, Odisha Legislative Assembly, the Honorable Deputy Speaker, Odisha Legislative Assembly, the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Honorable Members of the Council of Ministers, Honorable Members of this august House, distinguished invitees, and members of the media. It is a great honor for Odisha and its people that the President of India, hailing from our state, is addressing the Odisha Legislative Assembly today. Ame samaste garbito je e matiro jio aji deso Rashtrapati ahuri garbor kotha je se tanko political career 25 ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ ଏହି ଓଡ଼ିଶା Legislative Assembly ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଲେ ଏବଂ ଆଜି ସେ ଦେଶର ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରପତି ହୋଇ ଏ ମାଟିର ଗୌରବ ବୃଦ୍ଧି କରିଛନ୍ତି। We are looking forward to hearing your address, which assumes special significance in the context of the challenges that our country is facing now. Unity in diversity is the beauty of our nation. Different languages, lifestyles, customs, cultures and thoughts have contributed immensely to strengthening the Indian polity. After independence, the integration of the princely states was a great political challenge. The accession of princely states of India first took place in Odisha, with Nilgiri and others joining on the 14th of November 1947. And thus, Odisha has provided leadership to the rest of India to unite and consolidate Indian nationhood. It is befitting to the occasion to recall that the contribution of Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das for creating a separate province of Odisha, first time in India, for the first time on a language basis. He achieved this historic goal along with other national leaders by adopting constitutional methods. As the President of this great country, you preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of India on the 75th anniversary of which was celebrated just recently. The entire country looks upon you, President Madam, for inspiration and guidance in preserving the very soul of India. As you are aware, Odisha has scripted history in myriad fields in the last couple of decades. In disaster management, food production, women's empowerment, poverty alleviation, infrastructure development, transformation in health and education spheres, and creation of a climate of industrial growth. Odisha is indeed an inspiration, an inspiring story. All credit for such phenomenal growth has been possible because of the unstinting support and blessings of the people of Odisha. Our disaster management policy has become a role model for the entire country. And Odisha has also got international recognition for its good work in disaster management, including congratulations from the United Nations itself. Odisha, with its rich natural resources and skilled workforce, has great potential for growth. We should all strive to ensure Odisha scales new heights of glory. With these words, I, on behalf of the opposition parties in the Odisha Legislative Assembly, extend a warm welcome to you and look forward to listening to your thoughtful address. Bande Utkal Janani.